Okay, so maybe it is still loading on your computer. So please be waiting. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll make it full. Ooh, can you see this the sound? Wow. What do you see, everybody? You see something on your screen, okay? Here we have a word nature. Kita ada kata nature yang artinya alam ya. Because animals, plants, they are in nature. And also human beings, okay? We are also in nature. Oke, ada kata find out, oke? Kalau ada yang tahu arti find out dan bisa ngetik di chat room, oke, you can say something in chat room. What is the meaning of find out? Anybody? Mister bakal lihat. Oke, bisa di chat room yang tahu artinya find out, oke. Yoel, apa ini artinya? Oke, hahaha. Kero temukan. Okay, very smart, Kero, very smart and very ingenious. Okay, and also nggak tahu, Angga says nggak tahu, Banyu says temukan. Okay, that's good, everybody. Now, okay, enough. Okay, I will tell you. Find out artinya mencari tahu. Okay, menemukan. Yes, semua yang benar tadi yang belum menemukan, that's okay, that's very good answer. Itu udah benar ya. Tapi lebih bagusnya itu mencari tahu, oke? Find out, oke? Kalau kalian mau bilang, ayo cari tahu, let's find out, oke? You can say that to your friends. Let's find out. Oke, so today yang akan kita find out adalah Mister mau find out, mau mencari tahu, how well do I know about plant parts? Seberapa baik saya mengetahui tentang bagian-bagian tumbuhan. Okay, you can read it, everybody. You can read it now. Come on, read it out loud. 3, 2, 1, go. How well do I know about plant parts? Okay, jadi hari ini, today, all of you will know something. Akan belajar sesuatu. You will know, ya, kalian akan tahu. How well do you know about plant parts? Kalian akan tahu seberapa tahu kalian tentang bagian tumbuhan. So, what we will do today is this. Kita pertama akan review, okay, the last lesson about plants. Okay, review. Kita mengulang sedikit ya. And then, we will also study about facts. What is facts? Anybody? You can type on chat room, okay? Facts. Facts means fakta. Very good, okay. Jadi kita akan mencari tahu apa sih fakta tentang bagian-bagian tumbuhan. And that is so cool, everybody. Very cool. Okay, I can't wait for that. Okay. Okay, everybody do like this. I can't wait to study about this. I can't wait to study about this. Anybody? Come on. Do like this. I can't wait to study about this. Okay. Very good. And next, we have a quiz. Okay? Quiz. So, there will be some questions. And if you know the answer, come on, you can tell the answer later. Okay, that's number 2. So now, we have someone down below. Do you know Groot, Lisa? Do you know Groot? Can you see the picture? Groot. Okay, Groot says, "Are you ready?" Okay, so that is Groot. Okay, Kaisar.
No, wait.
That is good, okay? Kaisar, stop playing phone now. Look at the picture, okay? Listen to me. This is something cool, okay? This is something cool, everybody. And next. You see Groot here, okay? Groot want to say, let's begin, everybody. Let's begin with the review and the facts. Okay, kita review dulu dan pelajari fakta-fakta tentang plant parts. Okay, now let's go to the next. Yes, what is next? Yes.
Emangnya harus Groot ya yang jadi plants-nya?
I love Groot. Does anyone here love Groot? Ada yang suka lagi Groot? Karena Mister suka Groot.
Saya suka Groot.
Okay, everybody says I'm
Besar dari
Groot.
kecil sampai besar, dia terus bilangnya I'm Groot, I'm Groot, I'm Groot.
Hey. Tahu nggak kalau kita bilang I'm Groot itu kedengarannya seperti I'm good, ya nggak? I'm good.
You can go to the room now.
Okay, we continue everybody. Prema, let's continue. Okay, very good.
I'm Groot. I'm
Next.
Groot.
Yeah. Next.
I'm
So-
Groot.
What is this?
I'm
Okay.
Groot.
Okay, let's review. Kita review dulu ya. What do you see on your screen? Anybody? Prema, what do you see? Prema? Halo Prema?
A blue flower.
Yes. So this is picture of a plant.
Flower of
Purple
me.
flower. Okay, yang perlu kalian ingat lagi adalah, look at the word here. Ada shoot sama root. Okay, everything above the ground, semua yang di atas tanah. Everybody repeat after me. Ikuti Mister. Everything above the ground. Okay, everybody, come on. Repeat after me. Kaisar, I can see all of you. Okay, everything above the ground. Anybody? I can't hear your voice. Coba. Can you hear my voice? Let's begin, okay? Ikuti Mister ya. Everything above the ground. Can you hear it? No?
Ring. It can
Okay.
bounce high.
Okay, Mister kasih tahu aja ya. Okay, so everything above the ground itu namanya shoot. Okay, yang di atas tanah itu namanya shoot. Yes?
Itu pohon Groot ya, Mister.
No, yeah, just say yes. Okay, yes, itu pohon Groot. Okay, tapi ini salah satu contoh tanamannya ya. Ini bagian dari tanaman semuanya seperti ini. Dan semua yang di atas tanah itu disebut namanya shoot. Yang di bawah tanah namanya root.
I
Okay.
can't even sing so loud to 99.
Oh, okay. Okay, now what can you see above the ground? Okay, can you tell me what's above the ground? Apa aja yang di atas tanah? Ada stem. Apa
I
itu
don't
stem?
remember how to imagine 6 different shapes.
Apa itu stem, everybody? Okay, let's focus on this. What is stem?
This is different shape.
Batang, very good. Yes. Awesome. Okay, now what about this? Bud. What is bud? Itu bunga yang masih kuncup ya, belum mekar dia ya. Itu namanya bud. Okay? Very good. Bud will become flower. Itu akan menjadi bunga. Okay, leaf. We also have leaf. And the last one, yes, flower. Ooh, who loves flower? Okay, I think you love flower. Okay.
Flower.
And look at the below the ground. Yes. Flower. Okay. Yang di bawah tanah. Can you tell me what is below the ground? Okay. Anybody?
Groot.
Okay, not Groot. Okay. Root. Okay. Ada dua kata tentang root. Apa itu pertama? Primary root
Merut.
and lateral root.
Root.
Yes.
I can't even hungry.
Lateral. Okay. What is the difference between primary root and lateral root? Anybody? You get a star. Okay. What is the difference? Can you see the picture? Apa bedanya primary root and lateral root? Anybody?
Make me hungry. I'm
Making hungry?
starving.
You're starving? Okay. Hey, anybody? Kaisar, maybe? You want to try? The difference between primary root and lateral root. Anybody? Come on.
Apa?
Mungkin ada yang bisa ada kecil.
Yes, lateral root itu yang menjadi rambut-rambutnya yang lebih kecil dia ya. And primary itu yang lebih dekat dengan batang.
Batang.
Okay, closer to. Very good. Now let's continue, everybody. Okay. Ooh. So Let's do quiz. Kita quiz dulu ya. Oke. We have number 1. Part of plant-nya leaves. Apa fungsinya? A, B, C, D atau E atau F? Anybody choose? Apa fungsi leaf? Kalau yang A, itu bagian dari tanaman muda yang tumbuh, oke, menjadi, it's present in the, yang ada di buah, oke. B, carry food and water to all other parts, membawa makanan dan air ke semua bagian, ke semua bagian yang lain. C, the part that produce seeds or fruits. What is leaf for? F? Yes! Very good, F. Very good, that's F. Oops, yeah, F. Jadi leaves prepare food for plant. Number 2, everybody, what is the function of fruit? Anybody? A, B, C, D, or E, F? E? Ooh, yes, very good. E contains seeds, mengandung biji. Okay, what about seeds? Number 3, anybody? A, B, C, D, E, or F? A? Okay, very good. A is part from which baby plant. Very good, awesome. Number 4, what is number 4?
Mister, saya ngasal loh padahal Mister.
Really? Okay, you will really? Okay. Number 4. What is the meaning of? What is the function of number 4?
C.
C. Flowers, yeah.
B.
B or C? B or C?
B.
The answer is C. Okay. C. Okay. Flowers adalah bagian yang menghasilkan biji dan buah. Okay. That's flowers. Number 5, stems. What is stems for? Batang. Anybody? Andra? Yeah. The answer is B. Carry food and water to all other parts. Okay. Membawa makanan dan air ke semua bagian lain. That is the function of stems. Number 6. What is the function of roots? Okay. Bukan membunuh musuh ya, bukan ya. Ini bukan roots. Yeah, D. Okay, apa artinya D? Anybody? You can speak now. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil.
Absorbs water and minerals from the soil.
Absorbs artinya menyerap ya. Okay.
Menyerap
air dan mineral dari
tanah.
Dari tanah. Very good. Okay. Awesome. That's the quiz. Okay.
Dari tanah atau dari atap?
Let's continue now to the next. Okay. Groot says, what does Groot say? Anybody?
Is that all?
Yeah, is that all? Itu saja? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Can you see? This is how seed grows. Okay, ini gimana the process of seed growing. Okay.
Oh.
So it's like that.
Lah, siapa gambar Mister?
Okay. No, my friends, a lot of people in the internet. Okay, so can you do this? Can you see this? Is it amazing? So there is a seed. Kita mulai dari seed dulu, and then the seed grows roots and sprouts, tumbuh akarnya. Okay. It grows and grows, tumbuh lagi, and it develop leaves, ada daunnya, and flowers bloom, dan bunga mekar. See? And after pollination, okay.
Abis itu buah darahnya jatuh.
Oh, buah darah? Really? Ada buah darah ya? Oke. Okay. Jessica, ada buah darah nggak? Oh, apples. I think there is apples. I agree with you, Prema. Okay. Padma, what about you? What do you think is that? Is it apple? Lisa? Janet?
Apple.
Brenda? Who loves apple? Prama? Jofran? Senin? Loves apple?
Apple. My favorite.
Oh, that's your favorite fruit. Wow, Aurora. Hello from the car. Aurora dari mobil ya. Okay. Thank you, Aurora. Bisa lihat masih excited. Very good. Okay, Alia, Zia, come on, excited. Zia, happy. Zia. Okay, so and Nabila. Okay, Banyu Panziabi. Let's continue. Okay, next. Okay, now we begin with facts about roots. Kita cari tahu fakta tentang roots, bukan Groot ya. Fakta tentang Groot. Okay. Roots, bukan Groot. Okay. Kayla. Next.
Eating acorns make me come.
Okay. So, if you have a root, kalau kalian punya root, and if you zoom it, kalau kalian perbesar itu, you will look something like this. Okay. You have a root, and you zoom it. Okay, zoom in. Kalian perdekat lagi. Look it very close. This is root. Ini akar ya. Kalau kalian lihat dengan dekat banget. Okay.
So,
Maybe you use microscope. Okay.
that's blue.
Yes, this is root.
Okay, so this is blue and this is.
So everybody, if you want to be a scientist, you will do something like this. Okay. You go to the laboratory and then do experiment about this using microscope, and yeah, you will check something like this. Okay.
It's already 26 and it's 27.
Okay, now let's continue. Facts number 1. Fakta nomor 1. Let's read together. Okay. The roots of a plant is the part that is buried in the soil. Okay. Akar dari tanaman adalah bagian yang dikubur di tanah. Yeah, that is true. Everybody agrees. Okay. Number 2. Facts number 2. Roots are always under the soil. Akar selalu, apa artinya under the soil? Everybody? What is the meaning of under the soil? Yes, di bawah tanah. Very good. Though sometimes, terkadang, roots can be above the ground. Terkadang akar bisa di atas tanah. Okay? And apa namanya itu? This is called, apa namanya yang called di atas tanah? Yes, aerial root. Do you want to see the picture? Okay, this is the picture. Look at this. This is the picture, aerial root. Yes, so it is above the ground. Itu di atas tanah. Okay, so can you tell me the other example? Contoh yang lain, its root are above the ground. Mangrove, ya, mangrove tree. Itu juga akarnya di atas tanah, mangrove. Do you know mangrove? Anybody? Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. In the rainforest, okay, ada nama hutan namanya rainforest, hutan hujan ya. The air is warm. Udara itu sangatlah hangat and humid. It has a lot of water. Jadi di rainforest udaranya itu mengandung banyak air. Itulah kenapa roots itu bisa ada di atas tanah. Okay? Di rainforest. Okay? Next.
A mangrove shape just like a duck.
Many aerial roots are used to receive water and nutrient intake directly from the air, from fog, dew, and humid air. Jadi, banyak dari akar aerial ini digunakan untuk menerima air dan nutrien, okay, yang diambil secara langsung dari udara. Okay? Okay, so that is aerial roots.
Mangrove is not coming.
A what? Okay, is this cool, everybody? Do you think that this is cool?
It's an elephant,
Because-
but now it's melting.
aneh sih.
Mangrove is
Agak
aneh ya?
melting.
Okay, now let's see the other picture. Can you see the picture, everybody?
Don't take so long. Wow, this is so.
Yes, this is called aerial root. Look at the root. It's
This is
above the.
long ago, isn't it?
Yes, that's long ago. Very true. And the picture was taken long ago. Still black and white. Ooh, imagine you were there, everybody. What happened? What did you do? What will you do? Okay. So, what is the name of the tree? Yeah, that's very nice.
No. Banyan tree.
Banyan tree. Okay. Ooh. Next, we continue next. Okay.
This is banana tree.
Mangrove tree. Ooh, this is mangrove tree.
This is
Okay.
thousand.
This is
This
mangrove.
is 2000.
Okay, the next picture, everybody. The next picture. Okay. So what do you see? Mangrove tree.
This
Okay.
is 2000 plus.
Is this aerial roots? Can you tell me? Does this have aerial
Maybe
roots?
it's about 2007. Yes.
2007? Yes, that is true. Okay. Next, we continue. Okay. Ooh.
And my
Okay.
name was born.
Everybody read after me. Okay. Read
I
with
said
me.
he was not born.
3, 2, 1. There are two sorts of root system. Ada dua jenis dari akar. Okay. Number one, namanya taproot system. Everybody says taproot system. Okay.
Root system.
Yes, ini akar tunggang ya, akar tunggang. Kalau di bahasa Indonesia di IPA ya. So number two, yes, often we eat taproots. Sering kita memakan taproots seperti carrots and turnips. Okay, next.
Maybe let's just.
Fibrous root system. Nomor dua itu namanya fibrous root, akar serabut. Okay, so a fibrous root system is usually wider and deep. Biasanya ini lebih melebar dan lebih dalam dibanding dalam, ya. Jadi fibrous root system itu usually not deep, nggak terlalu dalam, oke?
Muy bien.
But taproot it is deep. Itu masuk dalam tanah, oke?
Muy bien. It's
Muy bien?
Spanish.
Spanish? Wow, you speak Spanish.
Muy
Wow,
bien.
okay.
Spanish speak, you know.
Yeah, very good. I love that. I love people who study many languages. That's awesome. Okay, keep it up. The more language you know, the better. Ya, semakin banyak bahasa, semakin bagus.
That's
So
What
this is the
about
difference. Okay, if you see the picture, this is the difference between taproot and fibrous root. Okay, the taproot, look at this.
the camera.
It is deep, right? Itu lebih dalam. Okay, but fibrous root, yeah, itu banyak rambutnya, right? Hairy fibrous root. Okay, I think you get it. Okay, taproot system and fibrous root. Okay, next, everybody. We continue. Okay, let's read together. Plants need their roots especially for three reasons. Okay, plants need their roots especially for three reasons. How many reasons? Lisa? Panji? Banyu? Three. Yeah. Ada tiga alasan kenapa tanaman butuh akar. Okay. Number one, let's read. The root take water and nutrients, okay, a sort of food from the soil. Jadi akar itu mengambil air dan nutrients, okay, sebagai makanan dari tanah. Okay, that's reason number one. Alasan yang pertama. Yes, what is the question?
I want to poop.
You want to poop? Oh! Oh, okay. Oh no. Okay. Come on, go quickly. Go quickly. Oh yeah. But come back, okay? Later you will, if you miss the lesson, nanti infoin ke Mister. Bisa Mister ajar lagi, okay? Number two. What is number two, everybody? Come on, read it with me. They also often store this food, okay? It's hard to tell. You just open it. Oke, yang kedua apa? Mereka biasanya menyimpan ya. Store itu artinya menyimpan, oke? Store this food. Oke. Number three. And they fix the plants to the ground. Dan dia mencokong tanaman itu dari tanah ke tanah, menancapkan tanaman itu ke tanah, ya. Fix, menancapkan, yes. So these are three reasons.
I can't. It can't.
Okay.
Rub it. It's made
So,
of glass.
this is the. Okay, everybody who is speaking now. I can't see your face now. Who's speaking?
It's not hell.
Okay. So, do you get it? Do you get it?
You are right.
You know, you're right. Okay. Jadi kalian harus ingat tiga ya. Three reasons why plants need their roots. Okay, these are the three reasons. Let's continue, everybody. I'm still excited. Okay. However, most plants' roots do not work at their best unless they have help from fungi. Oke. Namun kebanyakan akar tanaman tidak bekerja dengan baik kecuali dia dibantu oleh fungi, oke, dengan jamur. Jadi akar itu juga butuh jamur, oke. So let's see what happened there, okay. This is interesting. Look at this. Why roots need, okay. So namanya itu ada mycorrhiza, okay. Mycorrhiza. Everybody says mycorrhiza.
Mycorrhiza.
Very good. Okay, mycor itu artinya fungi. Okay, itu sama artinya dengan fungi, jamur.
Now what
And
happened?
rhiza, that same meaning as root. Itu artinya akar. So, mycor and rhiza, they have relationship. Mereka punya hubungan. And di sains hubungan disebut dengan symbiosis. Alright? So, symbiosis. Fungi dengan root mereka saling berhubungan. Okay? Root has something that fungi has, and it's so important for root. Okay. Dan juga sebaliknya, saling menguntungkan. Okay? Namanya mycorrhiza. Let's read. Okay, let's talk about it. Okay, kita ngomongin tentang itu. Apa sih mycorrhiza? Okay, so look at this. Please take time to read this, everybody. I can see your face. Now look at this. Please read. Okay.
Big. I can hardly see it. It's
You can hardly see it. Oh, you can't see it. Everybody, let's read together. Okay, Lisa, Alia, hello Alia, Aurora, excited, come on. Okay, don't lose excitement. Jangan semangat lagi. Okay, Abi, come on, Bayu, read, come on, Andra.
wow, big.
Huh?
No,
Why do your plants need mycorrhizae fungi?
big.
Yes,
Lot of big.
beneficial adalah menguntungkan, ya, and form a symbiotic relationship with plant roots, dan membentuk hubungan simbiosis dengan akar tanaman. Okay, look at this. The fungi receives sugar from the root. Jadi fungi, jamur itu menerima sugar, gula dari akar. Itu yang dapat fungi dari akar. And then in exchange, sebagai gantinya, it absorbs and sends soil. Oke, sebagai gantinya itu menyerap dan mengirim nutrients dari tanah dan air ke tanaman. Oke. So remember, fungi and roots. Okay, fungi, receive sugar.
It's an electric bus.
Jamur itu menerima sugar dari tanaman. Plants absorbs, dia menyerap apa dari fungi? Nutrients and water. So let me tell you why this is important.
Wow.
Kenapa ini penting?
Because
You
it's
check. Okay, who is speaking now? Hello everybody. Okay, now listen to me. And fungi itu membantu itu karena fungi itu ukurannya smaller, lebih kecil dibanding akar, ya. Jadi karena ukurannya lebih kecil, itu bisa masuk ke tanah, ya, dan menyerap lebih banyak makanan karena lebih kecil. Kalau akar itu lebih besar, ukuran fungi itu 10 kali lebih kecil daripada rambut kita. Touch your hair. If you can touch your hair now. Dan fungi itu ukurannya 10 times smaller, 10 kali lebih kecil daripada rambut kita. Very small, right? Very small. And itu sangat membantu mengambil nutrisi dari tanah yang nggak bisa diambil oleh akar karena ukurannya besar. Akar itu besar, fungi itu kecil, dia bisa mendapatkan makanan lebih banyak dan dikasih ke akar, ke tanaman. Yes, so that is the relationship. Sebagai gantinya, fungi mendapatkan sugar from the tree dari hasil fotosintesis.
Down,
Okay.
down, down, up,
So.
down, up, down, down.
Okay, now I will stop for a while. Everybody, hi, still with me? Okay, look at me.
Ooh, ow,
I love. Who is speaking very loudly? Siapa yang ngomong keras banget, Mister? Can see she's very happy. Who is speaking?
just woman.
Okay. So, still get it?
Use two fingers to spray.
Okay, say hi to everyone, okay? Because we will continue again. Okay, show me that you are still excited. Tapi ambil dulu minumnya, let's drink, okay? Let's drink first, okay?
Hello. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Okay.
Ngomong ke siapa sih?
Semuanya tapi.
Okay, finish everybody. Okay.
Hello everyone. My name is Angga. Your name is
Okay, Kaisar, Kairo. Okay. Drink first, Andra. Don't forget to drink. Kaisar, drink first. Okay, finish. Kenzie. Okay, finish everybody. And now, let me continue again. Okay, let me know if you finish drinking. Also say minum. Okay, finish. Awesome. Okay, now, yep. I will continue again. Good job, Kenzie. Okay, you're back. Siapa yang tadi pup? Okay, already come back. Okay, so we'll begin again. Kita lanjutkan lagi. Okay, so everybody, please mute your Zoom. Okay, and let me speak so you will understand. Okay, so here's the deal. Ini dealnya seperti ini. Okay, so you guys will listen to me.
If you do spring,
Yes.
your tummy gets very bouncy and so much here.
Okay, Prema. Halo, Prema.
100 years.
Finish drinking, Prema.
And morning again.
Halo, Prema. Prema, hello.
Spring.
Okay, very good. Prema, finish drinking. Udah selesai minumnya semua? Okay, let's continue. Ready? Woo. Let's begin again. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Please wait. Okay, so that is mycorrhizae, okay? Itu apa itu mycorrhizae? Itu hubungan simbiosis dari plants dan roots. Let's continue. Next. Roots grow through the whole life of the plant. Akar itu tumbuh seumur hidup dari tanaman. Jadi kalau tanamannya masih tumbuh, rootsnya masih tumbuh juga. Okay, still grow. They grow longer from the tip.
udah mati?
Yeah, that's die. Because there's no more food given to the plant. Because the roots take the food from the soil. Okay, next. They grow longer from the tip, adding cells to the end of its root. Jadi mereka itu tumbuhnya seperti apa? Gimana cara akar itu tambah panjang? Look at this. If you see the picture, ada namanya root cells, okay? Root cells. These root cells akan bertambah, okay? Jadi tanaman itu akan menambah root cellsnya. Semakin bertambah root cellsnya, semakin banyak.
100 years.
Yeah, it is getting longer. Okay, so that is how roots grow. Okay, by adding cells to the end of its root. Okay, next. This is the root cells. Next. At the tip of its root, there is a small group of tough, dead, hard cells called the root cap. Okay, if you see a root, there is something, okay, called root cap atau topi dari akar, ya. Okay, so look at the picture. Okay, look at the picture. This is the root cap. Yang paling bawah itu namanya root cap. Okay.
100 years.
And the root cap is the strongest part of the root tip. Ini adalah yang paling kuat. Okay, why? It's because its job is to push its way through the dirt. Karena kerjaannya adalah untuk mendorong, menembus tanah. That is the function of root cap. Okay, to push its way through the dirt to look for moisture and nutrients and protect the plants. Jadi gunanya itu menembus tanah, okay, to find, untuk menemukan apa? Okay, Angga, what is happening? Angga?
Bigger and bigger.
Untuk menemukan moisture, tanah yang lembab, ya, dan tanaman, ya, dan melindungi tanaman. See, that's cool, right? That's cool. Okay, Angga raise hand. What is happening?
Wow, she's such a cactus. to normal chair.
Okay, Angga, you can speak now. What is happening? Angga, you understand? Any
Do you
question?
think I must have a pickle?
Okay, Angga has a question. Everybody listen to Angga. Okay, come on, Angga.
Make the jellyfish
I want to
there?
drink, Mister.
Oh, you want to drink? Come on, drink. Okay, so let's continue again. Okay, just take drink, okay? Sambil mendengar, sambil minum, that's okay.
And I don't know about this guy.
Okay, who is speaking? Who says this guy?
But it's color changing.
It's color changing. Okay, who is speaking now? I can't hear. I can't see you.
Guy.
Emma, is that you?
Of course, I'm there.
Okay, very good. Let's continue. Oh, this is something cool, everybody. Can you see the tree? This tree is so big,
This
okay?
tree is about 1996.
Oh, really? Okay, the name is Giant Sequoia,
And
okay?
it's 24 years ago.
Wow. You know a lot about this, okay? So, very good. You love reading. That's awesome. Okay. So, this is the biggest, the largest tree on earth. The name is Giant Sequoia. Okay, look at the tree, the picture, the comparison between the kids and the tree, very big, right? Oh, hugging, you know, how many people do you think can hug this tree?
Talking tree.
Yeah, look at this, so big. Next. So, now, that's the fact about roots. Now we continue to study about facts about stem. Sekarang fakta tentang batang, okay? So,
Oh no.
next.
The book has fun.
So if you look at the stem very closely, kalau kalian potong batang itu, look it closely, it will look like this. Okay, akan terlihat seperti ini. Okay, so ada P, X ini ada xylem. Xylem is this one, and P, okay, PF, C, F. Okay, Prema, hello Prema, can you hear me, Prema?
Really? I'm so very hearing.
Okay, awesome. Prema, I want you to mute your Zoom, please. So next I will ask you a question, okay? So now, please mute your Zoom, please. Okay, we're waiting for you. Never mind. Okay, you speak a lot. That's good. I love that. Okay, later we'll have questions and that's the time when you will speak. Thank you, Prema. Awesome. Okay, so you will? Awesome. Okay. Kenzie? Okay, I will continue again. Mr. Continue lagi ya. So you guys will learn more things about stem and part of plants. Okay, Yoel, mute your Zoom, please. Okay, I can still see it. Okay. Okay, so look at this picture. Okay, still processing, right? Yep. Okay, Angga still yawning. Okay. Okay, masih. Oh, hello, Aurora. Okay, focus. Can you hear my voice, Aurora? Can you hear my voice? Awesome, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so look at the picture. If you look closely to the stem, you will look something like this. You will see pi, okay, in the middle, and then ada X di sini, itu singkatan dari xylem, and P itu phloem. Xylem and phloem itu transport. Yes. Once again, everybody. Oh, Angga, what is happening? What is that? Angga, stop doing that. Okay. So, let's continue. What is xylem and phloem? Okay. Kita belajar nanti apa itu xylem and phloem. So, facts number 1. The stem is normally divided into nodes and internodes. Jadi, biasanya dibagikan menjadi dua. Ada nodes dan internodes. Itu untuk batang ya. Dan nodes ini, the nodes hold leaves. Dan yang namanya nodes ini adalah batang yang holds, yang megang dari leaves, flowers, cones, ya, axillary buds, or other stems. Jadi batang yang kecil itu yang dekat dengan daun, that is called nodes. But the biggest one is called internodes. Alright, next. Number 2, the term shoots, okay, is often confused with stems. Jadi kalian harus bisa membedain what is the difference between shoots and stems. Okay, karena shoots dan stems itu beda. Ingat, shoots itu adalah semua yang di atas tanah, ya. Jadi bukan batang saja. Kalau stem, ya batang saja, oke? So, a shoot generally refers to new fresh plant growth. Jadi arti shoot itu sebenarnya adalah new fresh plant growth. Jadi pertumbuhan tanaman yang masih segar dan baru. Ya, that's the meaning of shoot. Atau everything above the ground is called shoot, including both stems and other structures. Ya, termasuk batang dan yang lain, like leaves and flowers. That is shoot. Ya, so shoot. Yes, Panzi. What is Panzi? Hello, Panzi. Any question, Panzi? No? Hello, Panzi. Just join in. Never mind. Okay. Focus on the lesson. Okay. Welcome to science class. Awesome. Now let's continue. Okay. Number 3. In most plants, stems are above the soil surface, but some plants have underground stems. Di kebanyakan tanaman, batang itu biasanya di atas dari permukaan tanah. But beberapa tanaman, some plants have underground stems, mempunyai batang yang di bawah tanaman. What is the name? Stolons or rhizomes. Ya, itu jenis tanaman yang batangnya di bawah tanah, namanya stolons or rhizomes. Okay, that's just the name. Okay, now next. Okay, stems have 4 main functions, which are, batang punya 4 fungsi utama, yaitu number 1, support for leaves. Oh, the time is over. Oh no, I'm so sad. What time is it now? Let me know.
It's about 7 minutes.
Yeah, so I think we don't have enough more time. So now, but let's use this 7 minutes, okay? No, it's not long anymore.
7 minutes is too patient to wait.
Okay. No, if you enjoy the lesson, that will not be boring, okay? So please enjoy the lesson, read it, and you'll learn something, okay? So, number 1, support the leaves, flowers, and fruits. That's the function number 1. Number 2, the transfer of fluid between the roots and the upper parts in xylem and phloem. Jadi fungsi batang itu ada 2 lagi. Yang nomor 2 itu sebagai transportasi, okay? We have xylem and phloem.
No.
Bedanya? Look at this. Later you will know, ya, xylem and phloem. Number 3, storage of nutrients. Menyimpan nutrisi, nutrients, bahan makanan, ya. Number 3. Number 4, the production of new living tissue. Produksi dari jaringan yang baru, okay? Tissue artinya dalam sains adalah jaringan, okay? That's the 4 functions. So again, number 1, what is the function of stems? Support the leaves, flowers, and fruits. Number 2, transportation of fluids, okay, between the roots and the upper parts. Okay. Number 3, storage of nutrients, penyimpanan bahan makanan. Number 4, the production of new living tissue, produksi dari jaringan baru.
Just tissue.
Okay, next. That is the function. Itu fungsinya, okay? Now, the normal lifespan of plant cells is 1 to 3 years. Okay. Remember that in plant there is called cells. Ada yang namanya cell, okay? Dan lifespan-nya itu biasanya hidup sekitar 1 to 3 years. One plant cells, okay? So 1 to 3 years, 1 sampai 3 tahun. Much of the longer lasting tissue in trees consists of cells which are no longer living, okay? Nah, ada beberapa jaringan yang di pohon itu yang tidak lagi hidup. Apa itu? Bark. Ya, bark itu adalah kulit dari pohon itu. That's called bark. And xylem vessels, okay, are example of this. Xylem juga no longer living. Okay, read with me, everybody. Okay, next. Okay, so let's go back to the xylem and phloem. What is the difference between xylem and phloem? Okay.
It started 5 minutes.
Okay, Reza. So, okay, apa bedanya xylem dan phloem? Okay. So, xylem transport water and dissolved minerals from roots to leaves. Jadi xylem itu transportasi air atau mineral yang mineral itu dari akar ke daun. Ya. So, itu namanya xylem. Phloem itu transport dari makanan, dari daun ke seluruh bagian tubuh. That's the difference, okay? So xylem, transportation from roots to the leaves, and phloem, transportation from leaves to all parts of the plant. Yeah, that is the difference of xylem and phloem.